Hubei HongBo Automotive Industry Intelligent Equipment Company, Limited is a wholly owned subsidiary of Zhejiang HongBo Automation Company, Limited, founded in 2021, and located in Xi'an City, Hubei Province, a major automotive industry hub in China. The company specializes in designing and building intelligent assembly lines and standalone equipment for the automotive industry. Hubei HongBo is a certified high-tech enterprise, a Hubei provincial specialized in sophisticated SME, and a recognized Gazelle enterprise. Over 20 invention and utility model patents. ISO 9001 and ISO 14001 certified. A technical team of 60-plus professionals, including 9 senior mechanical engineers, 6 senior electrical engineers, 2 software engineers, and 5 project engineers. Turnkey solutions covering design, manufacturing, installation, commissioning, and after-sales support. Main products and services: vehicle final assembly lines, sub-assembly lines for front/rear subframes, powertrains, tires, seats, instrument panels, doors, bumpers, and NEV battery packs and e-drive motors. Powertrain assembly lines, complete assembly and testing lines for engines, transmissions, transfer cases, main reducers, wheel hub reducers, and axles. Intelligent standalone equipment, pressing, tightening, leak testing, measuring, dispensing, turnover machines, and functional test benches. Selected customers partial list: BYD, Sears/AITO, Chery, including overseas plants, XPeng, Geely, Dongfeng Honda, Dongfeng Mengxi, Bistern, Sinotruk, Weikai Power, and more.